So let me begin by showing you what it's doing. Alright, so starter's not engaging. So I'm going to try it again just so you can hear the sound. But this is just your starter's on its way out. So it's about to wet the bed. And it's usually the Bendix gear, I believe that's what it's called. But here we go. So with this one I actually took a hammer and I just started beating the starter, and I did get it to turn on, but you don't want to do this too often. Once it's hot, it'll run. As you can see here, this was at night, and if you check the miles. But here, it finally wet the bed, it's not coming on, and you can hear it. So it just sounds like it wants to engage, but it's too weak to fully engage, so it engages a little and then drops out, or you just hear the motor whine. And that's just your starter wetting the bed. So at this point you need to replace the starter, and you have a variety of options. This happens to be an Excursion, same thing with the F-250 and F-350. My suggestion would be is just get the F-450 F-550 starter. I'm going to show you what it looks like. It's much better, spins a lot faster, has more torque. I ordered a Motorcraft one from Ford OEM online parts, I forget the site, but that's how much larger this one is compared to the factory. I don't have the original smaller, but it's that whole part of the body, but the gear is different as well too. So anyway, this is the Mitsubishi one from O'Reilly's. O'Reilly sells this. The problem is, after a week, the guys hadn't shipped my starter, so I'm not going to get it for another week based on shipping. So I got this in desperation because I just needed a starter, so I'm going to have that spare, that Motorcraft. At some point I'm going to install it. Once you install it, it's really easy. Just the wires back there, make sure they're not hitting the metal, make sure everything's clear. This is a 3-bolt, so I had to get another bolt, that's why that one doesn't match. But you can see there's very little space. This one really takes up the space, but it should take you less than an hour to do the installation. Just make sure you disconnect the batteries first. But watch how much quicker it sounds when I crank. And look at the mileage too.
We gotta make the playoff.
I mean, you can really hear the difference in the motor. So that would be my suggestion. Again, I do have a Motorcraft on the way. It just took forever. It's taken forever. So I got this one in desperation. But, I guess, lifetime warranty. But I'd rather have the Motorcraft. That being said, I hope this was useful. Thank you very much for watching.